Hey guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be coming up with 5 different makeup looks for office and for college as well. And these makeup looks are something that are very simple and easy to do, everyday natural sort of makeup looks that you can wear from Monday to Friday. That's why 5 different makeup looks. So if you guys are excited for this video, then please keep on watching.
So Mondays should be all about looking polished and presentable. So for the eyebrows, I'm using the Miss Claire Eyebrow pencil, and moving on to the primer, I'm using PAC Pore Primer. It's very important to, prep your skin before all the makeup goes in. For foundation, I'm using the one by Milani. This one is in the shade Natural and applying this one all over my face and my neck. It's first day of the week, guys, and you have to make sure that all these spots and everything are concealed and all your dark circles are covered up. And I'm using the concealer by LA Girl, and I'm also using some right underneath my eyebrows for that crisp and sharp looking eyebrows. To set everything in place, I'm using the powder by Rimmel. For that flushed glow to my face, I'm using this nice bright pink color on my cheeks. Using a very tiny amount of the highlighter on my cheekbones, and whatever is left on the brush, swiping on other areas. So for the eye makeup, keeping it very simple and natural, using a brownie transition shade on my crease and using this very soft glittery shade on my inner half of the lid, and using the same glittery shade on my brow bone and also on my inner corners. It's very important that your eyes are wide awake on a Monday morning, so applying some mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and this look is just incomplete without adding a bright red lipstick. And yeah, this is all my Monday morning look, my crisp white shirt, classic makeup, and you're good to go. Moving on to Tuesdays. Tuesdays are going to be no makeup look. So I'm just using concealer like underneath my eyes and here and there, and also on my eyelids to hide and conceal all the darkness and little bit of imperfections on my face. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend everything in place, and then I'm using a very big buffing brush. This is the one by PAC, to blend everything so that my skin tone doesn't look uneven. And then I'm using this compact powder by Lakme 9 to 5 to set my concealer. Mascara is the same by L'Oreal, and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. The Tuesday makeup look is very fuss-free and relaxed makeup look, not too much on the face because we've done a lot on Monday. And that's why I'm using a Nude pink lipstick on my lips and applying the same one on my cheekbones, and also using that on my chin and the tip of my nose. It just gives a very flush look so that your face doesn't look dull. And look how the makeup is so effortless and chic at the same time. Moving on to day number 3, Wednesdays are going to have an ethnic touch to it. So the first 3 steps are going to be the usual foundation, concealer, and then powder to set everything in place. And if you're wondering what all products I'm using in this video, then everything is going to be mentioned in the description box below. Wednesdays are all about giving that rosy touch to your makeup look, and for that I'm using this very pretty rosy blush on my cheeks. It's the one by Faces, and you guys know how much I love this blush. No ethnic look is complete without adding kajal to your makeup, so I'm applying some on my lower waterline, and you will see how much of a difference it makes. It just makes your eyes look so nice and bright and complete. So for the lips, I'm using this rosy shade again. This is the one by NYX, and it's a beautiful, nice, pinky rosy shade. And I think, yeah, my makeup look is done. So perfect for the ethnic makeup look. And this is the kind of makeup look that would go with any sort of ethnic dresses. Simple and elegant. So for Thursdays, I like using a very natural tone of blush to my cheeks, and I would like to call this makeup a coffee date makeup look because you know it's Thursdays and we feel like chilling out, and because the weekend is about to come. So yeah, I will be using all shades of brown in this makeup look, and I'm swiping some brown eyeshadow just on my lower lash line. And I will be using a brown eyeliner on my upper waterline. If you want, you can even use a black one, but just to break the monotony of black, I'm using a brown eyeliner. And then again, I'm using a mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And to complete my look, I'm using this brown toned, it's basically a pinky brownie nude lipstick by Calabar Hot Latte. And look how different your makeup looks, you know, refreshing and a little bit hatke as well, and not too much at the same time. Your perfect coffee date makeup look, you can say. Okay, so Fridays are here and it's all about adding colors and vibrancy to your makeup look. So firstly, I'm adding a peach toned blush on my cheeks. And for the eyeliner, I'm using a jet black eyeliner. Friday's lipstick would be all about a bright, poppy, pinky coral lipstick because hello, it's Friday, you gotta add some quirk to your makeup look.
I hope you guys liked this video and let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. And yeah, please give this video a big hit and share this video with all your office colleagues and your college friends as well. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay updated about all my channel updates. And I will see you guys super soon in the next video. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.